let us also try to understand about Tableau architecture using a different visualization altogether. Hopefully, this will make your understanding even clearer. These are the various data sources which a Tableau server or desktop can connect to. It includes all of the leading players, including your SAS, SAP, Sybase, Teradata, Spark, Oracle, your big data tools, so on and so forth. It can also connect to your traditional text files, to your Microsoft Access, Excel files, so on and so forth. Let us first try to understand how Tableau Desktop establishes the connection with any of these data sources. As we have already discussed, Tableau Server or Desktop will establish the connection with the data sources in one of two ways. The first one is in memory, meaning you extract the data from the data source into your Tableau desktop and then start working on the visualization. Or you can establish a live connection wherein you send across a query to the data source and get back the results and start working on the visualization of your choice. Once you're done with the visualization, you can do one of these two things. Either you can publish your completed visualization to your end users, and people who have Tableau readers can open the Tableau workbook and start looking at the report or visualization which you have created using Tableau Desktop. Or you can also publish it by extracting it in terms of PDF document or a PowerPoint presentation or an Excel sheet so that your static readers might be in a position to open that and make sense out of the report or the visualization that you've created. Or you might want to publish your end result to the server. And thereby, people who have access to the server would be able to read the visualization, and it can be accessed by your static users as well as your web and mobile users. Web and mobile users can interactively work on the visualization that you have just accomplished using your Tableau desktop. On the other side, if you look into Tableau server, there are a lot of layers here. So let us first understand on how to extract the data, right? So you can either extract the data from one of the data sources onto your Tableau server, and from here, your Tableau desktop or your other users can access the data. Or you can establish a live connection wherein you send a cross query to one of these data sources, get back the results, and start working on that. You have a cache memory, so you know for a fact that your Tableau server reading and writing from a data source would be very fast. If you extract the data, you can also load it in the repository here, and there is a presentation layer using which you can have your static users or web and mobile users access the visualization or the data or the report. And the most important thing is the security aspect. You can define on who can view your visualization. You can decide on who can modify your visualization. You can decide on who can delete your visualization. So from the security perspective, Tableau does wonders for you, provided you have a Tableau server in place. Not just this, you also have management and automation. For example, say you want to send your daily sales report to your sales manager on a daily basis. Rather than create a report on a daily basis, which would become mundane and a routine process, you can automate the process and set a condition which says that every 24 hours, one single report has to trigger to specific stakeholders, alongside establishing the security protocols. saying that this sales manager should be only in a position to view the data that you're sending across. Or probably vice president of that company should be given a provision to modify the data. And the CEO of a company probably would be given a provision to even delete the report. So these are the bunch of things which you can accomplish if you have a server and a desktop. As I've told you, this client server architecture would do wonders to your existing organizational data strategy and security protocols. That's it from part one perspective. To do a quick summary or a recap, we have discussed about why is Tableau so relevant in the current world. We have looked into the Gartner's Magic Quadrant and how Tableau is in the leaders quadrant since 4 years. We have then discussed about the advent of big data and the importance of data visualization to visualize your big data. We have also looked into the various Tableau products, and we have finally closed the session with Tableau architecture. However, we are going to do a deep dive when it comes to Tableau server capabilities at a later point of time. And also throughout the journey, we would be discussing about the analytical capabilities of Tableau, and we will be looking into theoretical concepts of analytics, statistics, which are pivotal for one to succeed as a good Tableau developer or a Tableau administrator. Thank you so much. Let us connect in part two and take this session further. Thank you so much.